Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're jumping right into the holiday nails. I'll be showing you how I did this holiday set along with this 3D bow. I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. I'll be using Mia Secrets Cover Pink, these two Saviland acrylics, and my Model 1's number 6 Kolinsky brush. And I'm going to start by laying the silver Saviland acrylic on my thumbnail. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you like nail videos or nail content. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And you can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok at kaylas.nailartistry. I'll link those down below if you're interested. Now on the pointer finger, I'm laying this red glitter acrylic from Saviland. It's called Red Diamond. It's one of my favorite acrylics. I got these Saviland acrylics in a kit. I'll try to link most of what I use down below. I get most of my stuff from Amazon. And I do have an Amazon storefront I make commission from where you can check out all my nail recommendations and whatnot. I'll also link that down below if you're interested in checking that out. Now on my middle nail, I'm taking Mia Secrets Cover Pink and I'm laying that near the cuticle, blending it down. Now with the same silver color from earlier, I'm going to be doing an ombre. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing the whole nail in the silver glitter color. And lastly, for our pinky nail, I'll be using the Red Diamond acrylic for the whole nail. Here I am just clear capping the nails. This will help to add strength and also prevent us from filing into the glitter too much. Colored acrylics are known for being a bit weaker, so it's always a good idea to clear cap. So I'm just going to clear cap all the nails now. Once we have all the acrylic laid, I'm going to start filing and shaping. I mostly use a hand file for this, but I use a drill to get near my cuticles. Here we are all filed and shaped. I'm going to paint a base coat on to help prep and smooth out the surface for our nail art later on. Here they all are. I'm going to get started by painting on some white stripes on our red glitter nail. This will be a candy cane design. I'm starting with painting some thicker stripes. And now I'm painting some thin white ones just beneath them, trying to keep them as parallel and as even as I can. So here's how that nail came out. Onto the middle nail, I'll be doing a snowflake design. Starting with getting the base of the snowflake down, this is really simple. Now with a dotting tool, I'm making 3 dots on each line. This is how I like to do my snowflakes. It keeps them really simple and easy to do. Taking my brush, I'm extending them just a bit. Adding in one more line, and now some dots. Now onto the ring nail, I'm starting with painting the cuticle white. I'll be doing an icicle type of design. You don't need to be super precise with this. I start with lightly wiggling my brush down, and from there I thicken up the shapes a bit more. And now I'm adding in some smaller lines in between. And now I'm going to be doing some more snowflakes. I just repeated the same thing we did earlier. Getting down an outline and adding in our dots. Super simple and easy. Now on the pinky nail, I'm repeating the same candy cane design from earlier, but this time in the opposite direction, doing thicker lines at first and then a thin one just beneath it. So here's the nail so far, onto the 3D bow. This is what we end up with, but let me show you the failed attempt. My first attempt at the 3D bow, I tried taking some red acrylic on a nail form and sculpting it. I watched a quick tutorial beforehand. I wiggled my brush underneath it and was able to flip the pieces in, and then I popped it off the form. The edges were a little rough, so I used my drill to shape it some more, and I even stuck it on my nail to see how it'd look. It was okay, but I wasn't impressed. So let me show you what I did instead. I'm taking some 3D carving gel. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I popped it on a nail form and started sort of rolling it out a bit. I flipped one of the corners up and pressed it down. This is going to be just one of our pieces. I'm going to repeat that 3 more times for a total of 4. Rolling it out. I used the edge of another nail form to get underneath, and with my silicone tool I'm trying to add in some more details. So now that we have all those cured, here's how I planned on laying them out. I'm taking McCart's rhinestone gel on my middle nail to secure these pieces, and with some tweezers I'm carefully placing them. Now for the middle piece, I'll be sculpting that right on the nail, taking a little bit and pushing it into shape. And now for the little ribbons coming down, I'm taking a thin roll and again sculpting that into shape. And we're done with that. Now onto the thumbnail. I'm taking McCart's rhinestone gel again, and I'm going to top it with some top coat. And we're just going to do a little crystal placement for this nail. I went with silver so it would match the theme a little bit better. And now I'm going to go ahead and top coat all the nails. So here's how the nails came out. I really love how they came out. The 3D bow turned out way better than I thought it would. That first attempt was a little rough. I think they came out really, really nice. Perfect for the holidays with Christmas right around the corner. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.